What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video, and today I have promised you guys that I will get this done right here. This is an intake silicone boot that my boy right here, Lewis, is helping me, right? You're helping me?
Yep.
Are you sure you're gonna help me do this?
Fucking I'm out. This should be hella work right here, yo.
Don't do that to me. Look, yeah, he called me up guard with that. All right, so he already took out this the stock intake silencer. I think. Let me see that the holes for it. This is the silencer. This is what we're getting rid of right here. So it's basically just gonna be this. It's gonna be just a straight pass through, however you call it, from the throttle body to the intake, so we can get better airflow and more throttle response to the engine. So all you gotta do really is just if I hope it's not too dark, still some sunlight beaming up in here. You just take off the air box, which we already did clearly, and then you take out that little thing from the throttle body. I think you
loosen this clamp.
Yeah,
it's gonna have two clamps right here. You're gonna loosen this clamp and this clamp. Then after you get it out, you're gonna move the clamps over from here to this one. This is a lot bigger, so you're gonna have to open it up a lot, and then you can get it on here.
What he said. All right, so in terms of the clamps that come on the original stock piece, you don't need to change them because they actually fit. And I cleared that up by watching a video of this guy actually changing his, because he upgraded to a silicone intake boot, and the clamps from his original piece to the intake silicone intake holes, it actually fits, so you don't have to worry about buying new clamps. So luckily they do fit, and you can save some money there. All right, so now we got the silicone intake boot in. It really wasn't that hard to actually get put onto the throttle body. All you gotta do is make sure it has a snug fit, and then make sure the clamps are like near the edge, near towards the throttle body, so that it's actually positioned right and not gonna actually fall off from your throttle body or have a vacuum leak, I guess what you would say. So now all you gotta do is just put back the air box, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure this clamp right here on the bottom part near the airbox is tightened up and in the correct position, and you should be good to go. I knew you was gonna say that. I knew you.
Is the pizza for you? Oh yeah, I bought a box of gloves and I still fucking use it.
Guys singing SpongeBob.
I'm gonna let me wash my hands.
Alright, so this mod was done fairly easy. If we wasn't recording, it probably would have took like 5 minutes, as he said. It took like 10-11 minutes, but we're finally done. That's a nice F32 over there. That's his friend's 428. It looks nice. I plan on getting one, and I can't wait to get one. Probably like in the next 3 or 4 years. But yeah, this mod is done. Fairly easy. Here's the original intake hose right here. Has a little silencer on it. Some freaking mosquitoes everywhere. I hate it back here. Yeah, it definitely should make a little sound difference in the engine bay, maybe. And thank God, better throttle response, and all that good stuff. And I think it only has like about 5 to 7 horsepower, which is really nothing. But for like $30, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good deal, I guess you would say. That's what I would call it. So the next step, what I would do is go down like a long stretch road, test how it feels, see how the response feels on the throttle body, because I've said that it gives better throttle response and better airflow. So let's get right into that and see how that goes. And it is the next day. As you can see, I actually got a haircut because your boy needed it. But yeah, I wanted to wait until the next day to do the review on the silicone intake boot, because I wanted to be at night and too dark for you guys to see me talking and stuff like that in my car. So I was like, I'll just basically just gonna wait till the next day. But getting back on topic, the silicone intake boot is, I would say, worth the money. The $35 that I paid is worth the money. It's no drastic difference in the sound, but you can definitely feel that the throttle has gotten better. Definitely gotten better, and I can basically feel that the car is getting more smoother intake flow from the hose into the throttle body and all the other good stuff. So it honestly overall is definitely worth the money, and I suggest that anybody that wants to do this mod should get this product. I will leave the link of the product in the description, as I always do, because I always look out for you guys and you don't have to go searching for any specific one that I got. But yeah, I'm gonna do that for you. Leave it in the description, buy it if you want, you know. And this, hey, you're welcome. I just highly suggest that you get this. It's worth the money, you know. If you did enjoy today's video, please leave a like and a comment. I would greatly appreciate it, as always. And until the next one, stay safe out here. Peace out, guys.